How to get Westjet Gold status. Hello everybody, welcome back to my channel. This is me Pipin Bisnath, and today I'll guide you and explain you and how you can get or become a gold member on Westjet. Well, the process itself is pretty simple, so let me guide you through. I'll just explain you. If you open up Westjet, now I just opened up a new account, so I'll open up Westjet here. You wanna head into Accounts tab. Under Accounts, if you scroll down, you'll be able to see Rewards Overview. Here you can see Milestone tier qualifying spent 3,000 Canadian dollars away from silver. So basically, if I spend 3,000 Canadian dollars in this qualifying year, I'll be promoted to silver. Similarly, in order to reach the gold or to get the gold member, what you'll have to do is you are required to reach the qualifying spend requirement of $5,000. If you reach the $5,000, you'll be headed to gold, and similarly for $8,000, you'll be platinum member. You can achieve it from the new credit card qualifying spend benefit, in addition to the regular TAR qualifying spend earned from your travel activity with Westjet. So just like you spend 3,000 to be silver, similarly you'll have to reach 5,000 spent to reach gold stages. Hope this helped you. Do like and subscribe, and do not forget to leave a comment down below if you have any further issues.